A trial date nears. Prosecutors are describing steps they say former Williamson County Sheriff Robert Chody and former Assistant County Attorney Jason Nassour took to destroy video related to the death of Javier Ambler. The joint prosecution team from Williamson County and Travis County issued new indictments this week. Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky joins us here now live with more. Tony.
Brian and Quita, these new indictments allege no additional crimes against the pair who do face an August trial on evidence tampering charges. But this is the first time that prosecutors more fully describe their theory of this case, a case that has lumbered through the courts amid legal setbacks for the state.
Item number 31 is to discuss and take action on the live PD contract.
Prosecutors allege what happened before and during this Williamson County Commissioners meeting in June 2019 is central to evidence tampering cases against former Williamson County Sheriff Robert Chody and Assistant County Attorney Jason Nassour.
I make in the form of a motion that we adopt the contract.
According to newly filed expanded indictments against the two, Chody and Nassour conspired to draft a contract with a reality TV show called Live PD that included a provision that video producers collected from ride-alongs with Williamson County deputies must be destroyed in 30 days. The indictments allege that the contract was backdated to include the period before the death of Javier Ambler about 5 weeks earlier, leading to the elimination of the footage. Ambler's final moments were captured on this separate police body camera footage. He died in March 2019 after deputies launched a pursuit after he failed to dim his headlights and used tasers on him. 1 or 2 days after the Commissioner's Court contract approval, the indictments allege that with knowledge of the mandatory destruction provision, the pair got in touch with Live PD to inform them that the internal affairs investigation in the case was over and never asked them to preserve the video. The indictments also allege that Chody and Nassour took steps the night of Ambler's death that put in motion the destruction of the video, including allowing the Live PD crew to leave the scene without questioning them, and later withholding names and contact information from the production company that could have provided information about the footage. Attorney Jerry Morris, who represents Chody, did not return calls seeking comment. Joe Turner, who represents Nassour, told us, quote, "The trial is set for August. I hope the government is ready." A judge in this case has previously ruled that authorities would have violated federal law had they seized the video at the scene that night, that they would have needed to go through the process of getting a court order, which prosecutors say they later attempted to do. The judge's decision was viewed as potentially gutting the prosecution's case, but these newly filed indictments indicate that they are, in fact, pushing forward. Brian and Quita.
Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky. Tony, thank you.